What's up guys, it's Cutie. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you on how to unlock the intermediate lockpick as well as work on your scavenger role. So basically what you would want to do is you would press on schedule on top, and then you would choose a settlement mission. The mission that you need to pick is a scavenger settlement mission only. So basically when doing the settlement mission, you'll be asked to scavenge for at least 6 items and then bring it back to the scavenger. Please do keep in mind that the zombies are annoying when you do these type of missions. So yeah. So yeah guys, that's basically how you unlock the intermediate level lockpick, and that's what I did. All you have to do is keep doing your settlement scavenger missions every single day, and that's how you upgrade your scavenger role type.